Hey viewers, oh my god, I look like a boy. We're just having a last minute trip to Sydney. My dad's going to Samoa today. He forgot something, the key to the car in Samoa. So we're driving because we are faithful, loyal children. I ran all the way here because my dad's going to Samoa and I was trying to find a park for so long. I went around like 3 times. Now I'm so hot and I'm sweaty. Yeah, hi Dad. I'm so sad he's going. He's going for my uncle's funeral.
We are so tired today.
Okay guys, so I've kind of calmed down now with my sweat and I miss my dad so much.
And we are hungry. We eat some hungry chef. Because we are hungry.
It's like deja vu. Do you guys remember when I first came to pick up Siaosi and we crossed these lights and he almost ran into the pole? We're going to get something to eat now. Sorry, I didn't really plan this vlog because I was just too excited, too nervous, and just really feel really sorry for my husband. He's lost a lot of weight, but it's alright. He's still good looking. I still love him. It's the Popo.
Toba.
It's not Tobo, it's Popo. What did you get? I got the big breakfast, which is breakfast for champions. I got a surprise for you.
What?
You'll see when you get home. I just put those tracksuit pants that I said I bought for Siaosi. I called him and told him that it was a surprise, and then I laid them out on the bed with a little note saying I love you. I just love surprising him.
What the heck?
What? Mom, it's not funny.
Nah.
Whatever. You guys love us, eh? I just can't wait to see his reaction. I wish I could leave the camera there and film his reaction when he walks in. And he'll be like, wow, thank you, babe. Look who I saw here. Did you get your surprise? What did you think?
I'm so excited. Thank you, baby.
How's work? We're waiting for my mom to finish coming out of Cotton On Kids because she's getting Eben a beanie. This thing looks like a chocolate smudge. Every time I look at it, it looks like I didn't know where my mouth was. Hey, big man. Hi, big man. We're so happy to see Uncle Aussie. Look at this fob. For Aussie, we're going now. If you can't afford a real massage, then come to these $2 feel-good chairs. What does it feel like?
Are
you feeling good?
Oh yeah. I'm so excited.
Akiko.
I love you so much.
No, I'm not paying another $2. Let's go.
Hi everyone. Just finished work. Come straight here to the mall with my beautiful wife. Thanks to my wife, he surprised me.
We're going to a late night run to get Siaosi some food because he's having a fat cry.
I'm so hungry.
And it's about almost 12 o'clock on a Friday night and he's playing tomorrow, so he should be getting some rest. So I'll have to go home and charge the camera because last time I didn't, last weekend. And me and my huppy.
Me and my wifey.
And I'm so tired. But you're gonna have to come up with a prank, babe, because you have to prank me before I prank you. Because people will think I'm a bully.
Bully.
A bully, not a pulley. Means I'm picking on you, which is picky. I'm picky you. No, it doesn't. I'm Pasawati.
Hi guys, Get ready for the games today. Versus Concurrent Eagle.
Owls.
Owls versus Concurrent Eagle.
No. Owls. Kangalan owls. So we're on our way to Aussie's game. This is the tracksuit I bought Aussie yesterday. Sponsor of Adidas. My hair is such a mess. I've been treating my hair with a lot of products, organic products and the right stuff. They've been really expensive, but basically putting argan and Moroccan oil in it. And there's this mask that I use to try and get rid of my dandruff because my dandruff is really bad. And then after that, I wash it with the argan oil shampoo. Oh my god, I left my rings at home. Excuse me, don't shake your head. You're not even wearing your ring. That's another thing we need to do after the game is go and buy Siaosi a bigger ring because he's put on a lot of weight since he's come. His ring doesn't fit him anymore. So basically he's fat.
No.
So we have to go get him another ring that's a bit bigger because it's really tight on him and it hurts him when he's at work. And I'm like, boy, we're getting you a ring today. And he was like, no, we'll save the money. I'm like, no, we're getting you a ring today. You can't be walking around with no ring. And then I forgot my ring. We were going to vlog a bit more. So you're going to be seeing a lot more of us because I know we've been really slack and a lot of you guys have been messaging us like, what happened to your videos? It's, you know, whatever. And another little follower, Tamika Afeaki. We love you, girl.
We love you. Shout out to the Afeakis.
I don't like that his shirt inside is hanging out. It's bugging me so much. Oh my god, I've just missed 2 runs that Aussie just made. I'm terrible. Every time I film him, he never has the ball. Then when I don't, he has the ball. I've decided to come to the car because my feet are cold, I am cold, and they're getting pumped. Like, they're getting their ass whooped, pumped. Hi, honey. Take his hand. How's your game?
I'm tired. 2 games.
How do you think you played?
Not too bad.
Not too bad? Just a bit because it's so boring. I just got a bit because I'm not a good girl all day. I'm not your mama. There's nothing better than a cup of hot coco samoa on a Saturday. Tonight's menu we're having migorangs. When on budget, migorangs is the way to go, isn't it, Eben? We ended up getting pizza, ordered, delivered. Started off with ordered, placed, making order, cooking order, ready in store, delivering order. He should be here. It's a girl, her name's Chantel. You are 7 minutes late, Chantel. Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Good.
Thank you. We got our pizza. Whoa. Whoa. Awa. Here, may do phang away. Ay, kako pizza le. May do ngayok phang out. I'm serving my mom.
Oh, there's a mistake by Noah. And the offload was good.
I'm gonna do comment of the day first, and then I'm gonna hand it over to Aussie. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick 4 fobs out. Yozer. I love you guys so much. I swear that your videos always make me laugh when I'm sad or depressed. Love you guys so much. Gonna support you too all the way. Thank you so much, girl. We love you too. God bless you. Thank everyone for liking. I love this interaction between us and the support you guys give us. It's amazing, and we really do appreciate it.
And the comment of the day for me, it's Lorena Hunt. Love you guys. You are just the cutest lovebirds. Oh, Galo fight is yours. No worries, bro. Next time we will watch you play rugby. Next time, just full shell and camera. Thanks, Lorena Hunt.
Bye. Say bye, little Evan.